Welcome people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time on my channel, a special welcome to you as well. I do hope you stick around and subscribe. In today's video, I'll be talking about the new fragrance from Hugo Boss called Boss Alive. So if you want to hear my reviews and my thoughts about this fragrance, please continue to watch.
All I know is you smell good. All I know is you smell good. Yeah.
So, Alive. This fragrance came out in February of this year. It's known as a fruity, florally, woody gourmand scent. This fragrance is all about empowerment. Like, it calls you to live life to the full with a positive energy. Like, what makes you feel alive? Do you get it? Do you get it? Yeah. As I said earlier, this fragrance did come out in February, but I didn't hear nothing about it until about 6 weeks ago. I saw the advert on telly and I was like, what does that smell like? But I guess it came out in February and that was the height of Miss Rona, do you know what I mean? So they really didn't get the promo. That's what I'm assuming. They didn't get the promo and the push that they wanted, obviously, because lockdown, do you know what I mean? Because people couldn't go out to get perfumes and that. But I got my hands on it now, love. So let me just give you my reviews, yeah? Let's talk about the packaging real quick. The box comes in this beautiful coral color with gold trimming. The Alive is at the front, and the Alive, I actually like the font. It's a bit minimalistic and classy, if you want to say, but I just like it. You know, when companies go all about the place with the fonts and you're like, what are you doing? This is just so minimalistic and I like it. Now for the bottle is quite heavy, like it holds weight, do you know what I mean? It doesn't look tacky, it doesn't look cheap, it looks so chic. It's a nice square that you can slip in your handbag, like, you know them ones, yeah? And it has the gold trim as well, and the Alive at the front. Listen, this packaging is just cute, simple, minimalistic and chic. Love it. So, initial spray. Speaking about spray, guys, look at this, please. Did you see that? No, look again. Oh my god. Yes! This atomizer, this spray. This is everything. You know, this is everything. Look again. Oh my god. Are you mad? Hugo Boss, listen, I'm already impressed by the atomizer. Like, yes, this starts out extremely spicy and fruity. Like, there's this bright sparkling apple at the top. Listen, when I say it's almost like electric, like the apple is alive. It's alive.
Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive.
The top notes include sparkling apple, blackcurrant, there's sun-kissed plum, and there's warm cinnamon. Guys, yum. There's massive projection from the start. Let's come down to the middle. The middle is where you get hints of jasmine. You don't get a whole lot, you get like hints of jasmine, but you see that sweet vanilla. Baby, that vanilla, yes. You know, you get a bit of herbiness from the thyme, but you see that sweet sun-kissed plum, baby. That shines through this entire fragrance. Like, the whole time it shines through, and I absolutely love it. The dry down is all woods, baby. There's Chinese cedarwood, there's olive wood, there's creamy sandalwood, and to give this fragrance some warmth and round everything up, there's Alaskan goldenwood. Listen, this fragrance smells divine. The longevity, sillage, and projection on this is spectacular. Like, how I rate fragrances is, I normally wear them to work, and because I work in such a busy environment and I work like 10, 12, 13 hours sometimes, like, listen, if a fragrance can stand all of them hours, me constantly on my feet, working hard, like, you get the pass, do you know what I mean? And this, at the end of my shift, was standing tall, and I was like, listen, and people were like, why do you smell so good? And I'm like, alive, baby, alive. I feel alive when I wear Alive. Come at me, okay? Final thought, Boss Alive is a very inviting and seductive fragrance that offers this cozy, warm, comforting vibe. You know, when you pass someone and they smell so good, like they smell like a cuddly, like they smell really cuddly, like you just really want to hug them and not let go. That's what I get from Alive. Like, it's so cuddly, it's so warm, it's so cozy. This is, listen, it came out in February, so I'm assuming they wanted it to be like a spring summer scent, but to me this is all autumn and winter. I absolutely love this. Like, when I wore this, people just wanted to hug me and not let go. I mean, obviously because I'm nice and that, but guys, this gorgeous fragrance. This fragrance is pleasant, it's amiable, it's soft, it's warm. Like, I can go out on a limb and say this is a safe blind buy. Do you know what I mean? It's not a perfume to go crazy over, but it's not basic either. Like, it's literally right in the middle of hey and hey. Do you know what I mean? It's right in the middle. I absolutely love this. You know that easy reach perfume that you've always been looking for? Like, you're going somewhere and you're like, oh my god, I don't know what fragrance to wear because you have so many. Like, this is the easy reach you've been looking for. Every note in this perfume was blended seamlessly. Like, nothing really stands out, even though I was talking about that sweet plum, you know, that creamy vanilla, all the woods. Like, nothing really stands out per se, even though the plum kind of shines through, but it's not this overpowering kind of plum. Do you know what I mean? But it's, guys, you should smell my flat. My flat smells bloody amazing, okay? This is so nice. This is your easy reach. If you were looking for an easy reach fragrance, I found it for you, okay? Boss Alive. Well, there you have it, my loves. That's my review on the new fragrance out by Hugo Boss, Boss Alive. If you've enjoyed this video, which I really hope you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up by clicking that like button. If you want to leave me a comment, let's have a proper chin wag in the comment section, yeah? If you have this perfume and you think differently than I do, let's have it out in the comments, yeah? Be nice, but let's have it out in the comments, yeah? Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.